B-O-O-K.
B-A-C-K-P-A-C-K.
P-E-N.
Education provides relief from ignorance and empowers individuals to navigate the rough challenges of life with confidence and knowledge.
Educators must prioritize the needs of students and avoid selfish motives, ensuring that their focus remains on providing quality education.